Wow, I've just been to a ride with this car as a passenger. It's of a friend of mine. It actually has a very good story with it. And as you can see, it's a Triumph GT6. As you can very well tell from the number plate, Triumph GT6. It's a Mark II. Very nice car. It's of a lovely couple, very good friends of mine named Benna and Benny. And it was his wish to obtain this car for quite a long time, since he used to work over here in Malta. We are in Malta at the moment. He used to work for the Triumph company. They used to build it over here in Malta. And he has waited very long, from 1970s, until he managed to obtain this car and do a full restoration on it. Very well done, I must say. The attention to detail is very good, I must say. Let me show you a little bit near the engine to see the detail. So we've just opened the back, the hatch, and as you can see, there's this very lovely luggage. It's actually my first ride in in a car this old. It's very cozy inside. Since this car is race bred, it's very driver oriented. I must say, this color is awesome. And as you can see, as I mentioned before, it's a full restoration. Very great detail. Can you start it up, Benny? So we hear it? Can you start it up so we hear it? A lovely bonnet. Let's hear the engine. Very beautiful noise. Anyway. Yeah. So one last shot of the Triumph GT6 Mark II. Full restoration, as I said before. This is actually the first car I'm reviewing, apart from my own. And if you would like me to review your car, especially if it has a story with it, let me know on the email that I'm writing over here. Goodbye and thanks for watching. We now shall go for a drive. Actually, I will be riding as a passenger and take some shots at the same time of a historical place called Mdina, some nice scenic shots actually also, and I'm sure on the way we will meet some classic cars, because it's in Malta on Sundays. Today is Sunday. In Malta it is a tradition that classic cars go out on Sunday. I believe it's a tradition in most parts of the world. We might also see some sports cars maybe. So let's go enjoy the shots. Over here we are with the GT6 in Rabat. This is actually called Zebbiegh. Opposite you can see parts of Mdina, very matching with this car. Over here you can see the entrance for Mdina. If you are a tourist in Malta, I really suggest that you visit this place. It's very nice. That's the entrance for Mdina. It's a very small city, hundreds of years old. We are approaching another entrance for Mdina. Which you can see over here on the right side when you turn with the roundabout. Actually we are passing from there because it's closed opposite. And now in this tunnel you can hear the rumble of the engine. It's a 6-cylinder engine, by the way. And that's another entrance towards Mdina. It's very welcoming to actually see the bonnet of the car when driving. Obviously this is a passenger view, but the driver is seeing the same on the other side, because these days most cars you can't see the bonnet. It's a view of Mdina from underneath it, a bit dark, but you can see the shadows as a silhouette actually. And there goes the rumble. Another view of the Mdina on the right side this time. Some friendly views over here. Benny's telling me the white car in front is a very old Maserati, and the one in front of us is a Mercedes. It's actually a Volvo. Sunday mornings in Malta, it's very normal to see these kind of cars on the road.
Herald. Chata ora triumph of Hillman, triumph Herald, Hillman, Prefect, Jaguar E-Type.
Ferrari. I would like to thank Benny and his very sweet wife Benna for sharing this piece of lovely history with us. This car has been a long time wanted by Benny and Benna, and the sweet story of it is that a few years back something happened in their life that made them think that they should follow this goal of obtaining this car and doing a full restoration. They managed, and here is the car. So from this we take that when you are going through a difficult time, it's very important to have a goal that you like to follow. Congratulations, Benny and Benna. It's a very fine restoration.